Okay, this book is called Wild Animals, and it's a touch and feel book. So it's going to be fun. So look for a book that has a lion on the front of it and fur right here sticking out of its face. Okay, so remember, pause the video so you can find the book. Okay, touch and feel wild animals. Have you ever wondered what it felt like to touch a wild animal? Well, this is not the real fur and skin, of course, but it'll give you an idea of what they'll feel like. So go ahead and open the page. Meet the wild animals. I am a lion. I have thick, hairy mane around my neck. Feels soft, doesn't it? And how does a lion sound make? Roar, isn't it? Isn't that a roar sound? I bet you can make a roar sound too, can't you? You want to try it? Sure, go ahead. Okay. All right. Turn the page. I am a lizard. I have rough, bumpy skin. Can you feel the lizard skin? Ooh, that is kind of rough and bumpy feeling, isn't it? Now, I don't think lizards make a sound. I've never heard one anyway. Okay, that feels really neat. I like the feel of a lizard. Okay, turn the page. Oh, I am a dolphin. I have smooth, slippery skin. Does that feel smooth and slippery? And remember how the dolphins go and they make kind of chirping noises and things? Did you hear any of the dolphins make some noises when you were at the ocean? Yeah, and remember they flap their tails up and down, don't they? Turn the page. I am a tree frog. I have sticky pads on my fingers. So right here where you're going to feel is right here at their little pads. And do you know why their pads are sticky? Well, do you see the frog climbing the tree over here? With their pads being sticky, it helps them grip onto things so they can stick and they can climb up a tree. It's kind of neat. And do you know what sound a frog makes? Ribbit, ribbit. Yeah, they're kind of a funny sound, isn't it? Turn the page. I am a koala. I have a furry body. See, can you feel the furry body over here? Yeah, it feels a lot like the lion's mane, only it's a lot softer, isn't it? And that's a koala bear. Turn the page. Oh, have you ever touched a lizard? In this exciting book, children can touch a frog's skin or stroke a lion's mane to discover the textures of wild animals. So, what what does a dog's fur feel like? Does it feel like a lion's mane? Is it kind of fuzzy like a lion's mane? Yeah, it sure is, isn't it? Okay. And that's the end of this book. And I love you kids very, very much. Hugs and kisses. Mwah.